What is this?
You want a dolly shirt?
Sure, I'll take a dolly shirt.
Oh yeah, my Ollie Dolly.
Cool, the Goofies. Morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Glad you guys stopped out.
It was far down. We didn't expect it was going to be this far back.
Oh, yeah, we're down at the end or the beginning.
Yeah.
Depends where you start.
We started at the
Other end.
other end.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all got to go see all the man stuff over there.
Okay.
Knives and helmets and bikes.
I told my guy.
I drove by. It didn't look like we could afford anything.
Oh.
The guys over there, they look all serious. Like,
Grumpy old man over there or what?
oh yeah.
Maybe this. We'll see.
Hey man, watch you all the time.
Oh, thank you, man. Appreciate it. What's your name?
David Upchurch.
Dave, nice to meet you, man.
PickingAndPunching. We watched him yesterday.
Hi.
Is that right?
I drove down here. I'm here with the Death Hollow Picker. He's on the other side. So the guy's.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Mike's over there. Yeah. So.
Okay.
How are you guys doing so far? You guys find a lot of stuff?
I mean, you know, it rained this morning.
Oh, I
and
know, it was
there's been
bad.
a few things here, you know. But
Sometimes you'll get so old.
Oh, the internet from AT&T. And then I have
How much you have on the weight?
and
$3?
I have my flyers.
$3, huh?
I'm
That's a good price.
It is a good price.
Did you see the other ones down here?
The kettlebells?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did see.
$3 a piece for each.
$3 a piece with kettlebells.
And $3. How about, why don't I give you a bundle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about $12 for all of them?
I appreciate that, but I'll pass on those there.
Okay, all right. All right, then $3 a piece on all of them.
Is this yours? This
Yeah.
model?
Yeah.
Would you do 5 on that?
I'll do 8.
You do 8?
I'll do 8.
All right.
There you go.
Animated. He's got hoes in different areas.
Oh, man.
I got that.
If not, I appreciate the sympathy.
I don't want to walk around carrying this weight. Can I make a pile over here, ma'am?
Yeah, set it right down
All
there.
right, all right.
Yep.
I love all
Canadians.
All right here.
We'll divide it with this.
All right.
How about a brand new Harley helmet?
I saw that.
It's $250. I mean, if you were to go in there and buy it,
Mm-hmm.
and it was barely ever worn. I think it was worn one time.
Yeah.
$50.
Small.
It's 14 for every.
14?
Give you a deal.
These are sold.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan.
Wait, 3 just to make it 15 for me.
Okay.
I didn't know if you'd do that.
Good morning. How are you doing today? Doing excellent. We saw the sign, so we decided to stop.
Absolutely. Some of them have prices on them. I have to actually look at it, see what it is.
Oh, I saw the bag. I thought you had Disney stuff.
Oh.
As books.
Yes, it's books.
How much are you in your DVDs?
50 cents each.
50 cents each.
You already peeking there?
They
Yeah.
always say, we're starting at 7. And I'm like, yeah, well, I guess I'll start early.
How much your Spider-Man stuff?
$100 per month.
Okay. Here, I'll give you $2 for this stuff.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Oh man, this is a walk up this. This is a steep.
Can you bring it down here for me?
I got a workout code coming to your house, man.
I know. Be careful with that. It already broke on me.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, these cheap things. Yeah, I've got a bunch of jackets and stuff over there too.
Okay. The Mickey.
Mickey ears.
Yeah. That's cool. How much you asking on your jackets?
What's that?
How much you asking on your jackets?
$1.
$1.
I just need to get rid of it.
I got you.
I figure whatever doesn't go is going to Goodwill, so $1's better than nothing.
Well, I'm gonna get those shirts there. So those jackets. This.
You want a dollar shirt?
Sure, I'll take a dollar shirt.
Oh yeah, my Ollie Dolly.
I saw that one on there too. Okay. What is this? Is this
So that is I don't even know, when we had our restaurant, we always had a backup because this was for the sound system.
is that new?
Yeah, we never even used it.
Gotcha.
10 by 30, right? Like,
All right. The,
Oh, the Dollywood one.
oh yeah. Sorry. Oh,
that's why I'm like, what are you doing?
I forgot to grab
It's been
it.
sitting there. and
I
I'm
know.
like, not that I really want clothes.
Yeah, it took me some. I had to go back and forth with giving that one up, but I haven't worn it in 3 years.
I had 8 total.
8.
Yeah.
And 2 shirts.
Oh, 2 shirts? Thank you, sir. Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate you.
I would tell you.
How y'all doing?
Doing great.
Let's be kitty.
Yeah. Oh, no, anyway, so, yeah. Y'all up to this morning? No, I'm just kind of moving stuff around so it's.
We're just hitting up some yard sales. Seeing what we could find.
I was gonna say the whole neighborhood.
Yeah. Is that new?
It's brand new, brand spanking new.
What do you have on that?
From my mama, and she.
What do you have on that?
It's at least $30.
Gotcha.
I think it's 49.
Okay.
Even for, I'll tell you the truth, I'm waiting for her to
What do
come
you have
out.
for a little washcloth?
You know,
I've never
Yeah.
done that.
That's a cool little piece though.
Oh, you want $8?
did you want $8 for that?
50 cents.
Oh,
Oh.
50 cents. I think I saw the 5 and the, oh,
50
wait.
cents. Don't listen to this guy. This guy's always trying to charge me more. You can just keep it.
Well, I mean, it surprised her too. She's like, that's
You
it?
have to get- Ma'am, question for you. Are these all new?
Some of the, well, this of course
Yeah,
is
that one is.
definitely new.
Because I saw like the seal was busted over off.
Yeah,
over there.
like the only ones that I could tell you that this doesn't look like it's full.
Yeah.
I can't really tell unless I can
Like
reverse
this.
again.
Yeah. Like I can't tell if that one's been used or not.
It doesn't really look
No,
like
I
it
don't
at
think that
all.
one
Let's see what this one
is. Yeah,
might
that
have
one.
been used.
This one's new. Okay.
Anyways.
I'll just get this here. So that was 3, 4, 6, 9.50.
Okay. $9.50 it is.
Just give me a 10. They'll give me quarters back again.
There you go.
Thank you, ma'am. Morning.
Y'all doing all right today?
Doing great.
Hanging in, hanging in.
Done some shopping today, huh?
Trying to. Trying to.
That's never been used. It's like brand new.
For $1? I cannot object. Would you object for $1?
I can't believe I didn't see this Nintendo DSi sitting there in the box. It was right in front of me for $1. Mike picked it up and he had to rub it in like a good friend would.
Y'all don't happen to have any games to go with it or anything, do
No,
you?
you don't. You have to get that off probably Amazon.
Okay.
I can definitely find them. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you. These are cool. The Goofies. Oh, the Pooh. Yeah, you're right. It is a Spider-Man phone. Walk through here.
Oh, hello, puppy.
Hey. Hi, puppy. Oh, you're so cutie.
I didn't know you had these. Oh,
I don't have those. I have the football ones, but
brand new?
how much are your games?
5 for the Wii and 10 for the Switch one.
Do you actually have the game that goes in the case? It's Mad World, not Wipeout. Is there Wipeout in here?
Golly,
The shoplifters got me again. They love these Wii games.
I don't even see that. I don't even see that game here.
I know, somebody swapped me out. That's what they did. Yeah, look at it. It's all scratched up. Oh, I hate that.
Sorry, man.
They love these Wii games.
You have a problem with a lot of shoplifters here?
No.
Oh, okay.
But those, it's like a magnet for them. Graphic novels. Heavy metal, you heard of them?
Yeah, I've heard it. What do you have on those?
You interested in the whole pack?
I mean, I gotta see what you have.
Yeah, go through them.
Yeah, oh, these are just the magazines.
Mm-hmm.
What are you asking for them? These all heavy metal?
Yeah, it's all heavy metal, $5 a piece. I can do a discount if you buy them all.
What would you want for the whole bag?
Well, let's add them up and see how many we got in here. 1, 2, 33, 34. A lot of those are like $10. There's a couple of them that are more.
Yeah, some of these conditions are ripped at the.
Question is, condition is, I know. Let's see.
Yeah, like this covers all.
Let's say, yeah, how about $45 for the whole pack? That's like
$45 for the whole pack?
yeah.
I'll do it.
All right.
It's fair.
Yeah, and that should leave you enough meat where you can flip them.
No, I think it's fair. You're being fair with it. I've sold a bunch of heavy metals in the past, so I'm pretty.
You ought to be able to get a good price.
Yeah, I'll be able to do okay on that.
Cool. Why do they do that? Free hole.
Where you put those in the binder. It's like they're 90s, right? Early 90s.
Thank y'all so much. Holly, hi, did y'all take it already? She's already took it. Okay. Put them in the car.
Oh, it's busted.
On that one.
10 on that one. Do you have more of them, or is this it?
That and just that little display that has all the Nintendo dudes in it. Okay.
Oh, that there.
I'm gonna have a break.
How much you asking for these guys?
About 20 for all of those dudes.
For all the dudes?
How much do you want for it? I come here for these guys. They're here. Go get them in. I'll just give it to him when he comes back. Okay? Yeah.
It's a cool bank. That's cool. What is this? How much is the Pikachu bank? 10. Oh, that Stitch is cool. The Halloween Stitch?
Yeah.
Is it a bank or what is it?
I think he's just a figurine.
Oh, man.
Jackie brought him up here.
What do you think you would do for like all the Nintendo plush, the Donkey Kong, and the Pikachu?
Give me $20 for everything.
For all that? Deal.
Yep.
Deal. Yeah.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you. I was looking at this. I didn't realize his head was cut off, busted off.
No, the worst part is
It's a cool
his
piece.
stupid wings are gone.
Oh yeah.
I
It's-
found one of his wings, but the other one I can't find it anywhere.
When I saw that, I was like, oh, this is so cool.
I know.
You got everything for 20. And I'm like, I'm gonna have to go $5 at a time here.
Well, that's not my fault. You're a bad negotiator. It's not me.
Didn't negotiate.
I didn't have to.
They're like all that. You're like, yeah, okay. Blank.
What?
Blank.
They're hexagon. They're just regular metal. Yeah. You ship them in a flat rate box. You ship, I'll give you $5 for the dumbbells.
All right, man. Appreciate that. You want a bag? Well, bags on.
Nah, I don't care, man.
I think I have like a burlap bag.
They'll break the bag. I'll just carry them. Yeah. Guys, it's good to pick up. You can get $1 plus per pound on eBay. You ship these in a flat rate box for super cheap. That was the Flea Across Florida, guys. I was out with the Death Pile Picker. I had an absolute blast. I still can't believe he beat me to that Nintendo DSi. It was right in front of my face. He reached over, grabbed it, and it is what it is, man. But that's why I love going out picking other people. He's out there helping me. He found those Iowa shirts, and then he found the DSi, so good for him. I ended up giving a bunch of those Nintendo plushies for his own personal collection. I don't like to buy plushies anymore, but those Nintendo plushies do really, really well. So if you guys see those tags for Super Nintendo on those plushies, pick them up. They can bring really good money. Thank you guys so much for watching. There's going to be plenty more videos here in the near future from the Flea Across Florida. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.